Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to change language on Pinterest using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for Pinterest. Or if you're living here in the Philippines, you want to search for pinterest.com.ph. Sorry. So now, once you've logged in your account, just go ahead and click on the drop down arrow here at the upper right corner of your screen beside your Pinterest profile picture. Click on Settings. Once you're at Settings, you want to click on Personal Information. And now you can see the language section. So here, just go ahead and click on the drop down arrow, and you can see all of the available language here on Pinterest. Okay, so that's it. That is how you change your language on Pinterest using your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.